Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to stabilize videos in CapCut. First, import the video you want to stabilize. Click on Import, then Download and select the unstable footage. Drag and drop the video into the timeline. Play the video to see how shaky it is. To stabilize it, go to the top right corner of your screen. In the Video section, select Basic, then scroll down a bit until you see the Stabilize option. Click on Stabilize. You'll see options for different levels of stabilization. You can choose the recommended setting, or you can select Minimum or Most Stable based on your preference. I'll go with the recommended stabilization. Click Stabilize and wait for the processing to complete. This might take a few moments. Once the processing is done, play your video again. You should notice that your video is much more stable now. And that's it. This is how you can stabilize your videos in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. I'll see you next time.